So one way you can make money from Whop is through the Whop content rewards. Okay, you can see it here. You post content on social media and you get paid for the views you generate. This is one you don't need money to get started. You only need to create content and you're going to get paid for the number of views that your content is able to generate. Now, there are two types of content you can create here. You can create a UGC content, which means the one you have to show your face. UGC means user generated content. Okay, so you show your face to create the content following the guideline that is being made by the WOP, by that particular WOP creator. Okay, and there's the faceless one where you don't have to show your face to make the content, but you still follow the guideline by the particular WOP creator. So in the content reward, here you can see every ongoing campaigns, and there are so much campaign to participate in. Okay, this campaign are done by celebrities and by the WOP team and every other person who wants to promote their platform. So you are helping them to get more views on their social platform, and they are paying you for that for your efforts. So for example, now you can see this is WOP UGC creators, which means WOP user generated content creators. You have to use your face to create content for WOP. Example, now I'm using my face now to generate content for WOP. I'm actually doing this job. You see, so this WOP UGC creators, this particular WOP is a WOP for faceless people. As you can see on my screen, let me make it bigger for you. Okay, and this is what WOP UGC creator. This is a particular WOP inside the WOP platform, right? And this one is a what WOP UGC faceless. So the kind of content they want you to create is a faceless content, and the platforms you can post on is what is Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, or X rather. Instagram, TikTok, and X. Now you don't have to show your face. You can use AI tools to generate content to post about WOP. And if your content gets what 1K views, you are going to earn $2. If you get 2K views, you earn $4. 3K views, you earn $6. Your content go viral, you make a lot of money. Now this campaign has what $30,000 in it, and people have earned how much? $23,301 from it, and the views that they have generated is what 12.4 million plus views. So you can see it here in my screen. Okay, so let's open it. So if you want to participate now, you click on it and you join the waitlist. It's free to participate in this WOP creator. You see, so you can earn what $3,500 per 1 million view on your WOP UC. So AI videos do go viral. AI faceless videos do go viral. So if your video goes viral, you make a lot of money. So the more your videos get, the more money you make. So the skill you will need is just to know how to use AI to create video content. You see, so if you are in, you click on join waitlist now with your WOP account, and when you are approved, you get notified that you are approved, and then you can see the guideline on how you should create the content. After you have created the content, you cannot submit. So here you are going to put. So here now they have a specific guideline to follow. So if you don't meet the guideline, then you cannot participate in that particular WOP. So you only participate in WOP where you meet the guideline. Okay. So in this one, I'm not qualified to be in this particular WOP, so I will not apply it there. Now, when you have created your content, you can submit here with the submission tab, and you are going to wait for your content to be reviewed. When your content is reviewed, you can make money. Now, these are people who have submitted their content in the submission tab. You can see how much they have in. For example, Chris here, he has in over $2,900. Dom here has in $1,900 for this. People who are making money. You just need to create AI content, or you just content participating in any of this program. So, for example, now let's check out this one. This one says autopilot clip and UGC. So here is an autopilot clip, means you can use AI to create content also, and you can use your face to also create content. So they have what $15,300 paid out campaign already, and they are paid out what $10,690. So people can sleep at, and the platform they want is only TikTok. See, so this is musically, and they are paying $4 for what 1K views. $4 for 1K views. So if you want to pay in, you click on it, and you're going to see what it requires you to have to join. Okay, so this is how you keep searching for different content rewards campaigns in the work platform to participate in so that you can make money. And the two skills you, like I said, the two skills you need is just number one, the skill to know how to create AI content for TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, and the skill to have uh, create face content. Now I have joined the autopilot clips and UGC so I can now participate in their content reward. And if I make a video about them, either it's AI video or UGC video, I'm going to do what? I'm going to gain $4 for every 1,000 views. Now, whenever you join any of this content reward program, do where to read the description on how you can create the content before you submit, because your content must follow the work creator guideline. Now you can see the leaderboard of people who have made money from this particular work, which is the autopilot work. You can see here, Jay has made over $33K for creating videos for this autopilot work. PBA has made $27K. Freedom has made $23K. Chrissy has made $10K. Savia has made $9K. This has made $9K. This is their leaderboard. So there's no limit to how much you make, depending on your performance in the platform. You do it to read their video tutorial and the disclaimer so that you ensure that your video follow guideline. Okay, so that when you submit a video, it will be approved so that you get paid, and you'll be paid into your Whop wallet, which you can then withdraw to your Coinbase account or PayPal account or Stripe account that you have connected here. So this platform is not fully into Africa. So maybe when they get so popular, they might decide to go and get bank transfer to the African bank account and so on and so forth. So we hope that maybe when we Africans are more on this platform now, we can have them do that, okay? Because they will see, when they see that there's a demand for it from the African market, then they will likely do that. So this is a tutorial you have to learn about their video before you participate in their content reward campaign. So this is how you can make money from work via content rewards campaign.